Welcome to the Knowledge Nest. Today we are here with a new video. Stop saying very. Instead, you have to say these words. Stop saying very angry. Say furious. Stop saying very happy. Say ecstatic. Stop saying very beautiful. Say gorgeous. Stop saying very boring. Say dull. Stop saying very poor. Say destitute. Stop saying very big. Say massive. Stop saying very noisy. Say deafening. Stop saying very clean. Say spotless. Stop saying very cheap. Say stingy. Stop saying very difficult. Say arduous. Stop saying very dry. Say arid. Stop saying very short. Say brief. Stop saying very smart. Say intelligent. Stop saying very sad. Say sorrowful. Stop saying very upset. Say distraught. Stop saying very quick. Say rapid. Stop saying very bad. Say awful. Stop saying very cold. Say freezing. Stop saying very huge. Say colossal. Stop saying very ugly. Say hideous. Stop saying very funny. Say hilarious. Stop saying very dirty. Say filthy. Stop saying very small. Say petite. Stop saying very quiet. Say hushed. Stop saying very wet. Say soaked. Stop saying very tall. Say towering. Stop saying very exciting. Say exhilarating. Stop saying very busy. Say swamped. Stop saying very weak. Say frail. Stop saying very bright. Say luminous. Stop saying very clear. Say obvious. Stop saying very confused. Say perplexed. Stop saying very crowded. Say bustling. Stop saying very colorful. Say vibrant.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.